Video.
Ako na mag-video sa'yo.
Videoan mo siya.
Babae.
Madulas eh.
That's my happy birthday, dear.
Thank you so much.
Dear Chelsea,
Mangga.
where the fire burns,
Mangga.
where I find a place, but there's nowhere to turn.
Damihin nga po kasi.
There's no evening sea, honey resort.
Ilang inuman kami.
You can find a place,
Madalas,
but
isa na po yung
never be.
tapos,
And only when you've left, you know where you've been. I can see the light, but only when it's gone. You can go on waiting, but only for so long, so long. I know we are right. It's not always sweet.
Yeah, okay na, okay na.
Because I'll never
It's so big!
forever in time. I always felt the rhythm. What happens when there's no more rhyme? Can we face ourselves like we face each other? We've never felt anything on our own. I can't wait much longer to feel in danger.
Gumiling. Dati, ayaw ko gumiling, hindi na. Hindi ko na-carry. Siya sa ganito. Dati nakagiling ako, hindi na eh. Pag show, hindi ko na kaya. Dati kasi kabataan ko, may showdown kami ganyan, parang show na pag-club. Nakapag-show ako sa club na ano yung mga bakla. Nag-show talaga ako no, talagang ano talaga hindi na.
What happens when there's no
yung isa sabi natin sa klase, kung sino marunong sumayaw sa may premyo, yung maganda sumayaw.
It's like waiting for the other to drown. I'll never stop believing.
Kaya alam mo pala yun no, dati no, di ba?
It's just we never have to struggle. We only do is see. I don't care what we felt at the start. We never stop with a broken heart. We've been so blinded by all the past. We never put up love to the test.
Kare. Nag-show. Nag-show eh.
Nag-show ka?
Ayaw.
Parang override yung mga.
Lamog eh no?
Ay, alam mo, kami ko lang po.
What happens when there's no more rhyme?
Naradela, pag tumama ako.
Thank you.
Second batch.
Ano ba? Dito ba? Ate mo. Miss ko dito ba?
Ano na ba sa'yo?